world where so many watches have started following the same formula, true individuality have become increasingly rare. Sunbursted dial, familiar colors, and predictable designs. Beautiful, but perhaps often interchangeable. However, today I'm going to talk about how La Artisan Phoenix takes a different path. This is me, Nahanshu Gautam, and you're watching me on Watch Circle. La Artisan Phoenix doesn't rely on heritage, celebrity endorsement, or complicated mechanics to stand out. Instead, it begins with something more captivating. A dial crafted from natural red agate stone. No two Phoenix watches are exactly alike. Every dial carries patterns shaped by nature over time, creating a piece that is genuinely unique. In softer light, the stone appears deep and mysterious, revealing subtle marbling beneath rich crimson tone. But under the natural sunlight, the transformation is remarkable. Warm shade of amber, orange, and fiery red, giving the impression that the dial is glowing from within. Every glance reveals something new, a hidden vein, a new texture, a different character. It's a dial that never stops rewarding attention. Supporting this remarkable dial is a thoughtfully restrained case design. At 38mm, this Phoenix strikes an ideal balance between contemporary presence and timeless elegance. Slim, comfortable, and very versatile. It wears effortlessly throughout the day. This beautifully executed onion-style crown gives a subtle vintage touch to the watch. Small enough to remain understated while distinctive enough to give this watch its own personality. Paired with a soft grey suede strap, the Phoenix becomes surprisingly versatile. The muted texture balances the boldness of red agate, making the watch feel refined rather than overwhelming. Over time, the strap develops its own character, evolving alongside the unique stone dial. Inside, a reliable automatic watch movement remains things refreshingly simple. No unnecessary complications, no distractions. Just dependable performance and quiet satisfaction of mechanical watchmaking. What surprised me the most was how this Phoenix blends perfectly and effortlessly into my daily life. While I was traveling from Thailand to Sri Lanka, this watch quickly became my go-to companion. Whether I was exploring the busy street of Thailand, relaxing by the coast on Sri Lanka, or going out for dinner, this watch felt right at home on my wrist. What I initially thought would be a special occasion watch initially turned out to be incredibly versatile. By the end of the trip, Phoenix felt less like the watch I was reviewing, but more like the watch that became part of the journey. When I came to know that I was getting my hands on the La Artisan Phoenix Red Agate dial watch, I couldn't stop myself. Immediately as I got the watch on my hand, I just opened it and started wearing it throughout my journey. However, I want to show you my unboxing experience, and this is the box it came in with La Artisan badging, and inside comes the actual watch cases. The La Artisan Phoenix arrives in packaging that feels clean, thoughtful, and well presented. It doesn't try to be overly dramatic or excessive, but it gives the watch the kind of presentation it deserves. Pulling out the leather box, the Phoenix immediately feels special. The red agate dial stone stands out beautifully against the packaging, making the first impression memorable. Everything feels neatly arranged, and the overall presentation adds to the sense that this is not just another ordinary watch. For a piece built around individuality and character, the packaging supports that feeling well. It is simple, refined, and effective, letting the watch remain the main focus while still making unboxing experience enjoyable.